Hello everyone, welcome to the Layman's Odyssey. My name is Tyler and this is the Fossil Folio. Today we're going to be talking about the thylacine, otherwise known as the Tasmanian tiger. Oh, and by the way, this is a two-parter because there's two different things I want to talk about. So now that's out of the way, now let's crack on with it, shall we? Here it is in all of its beauty. This is the thylacine, otherwise known as Thylacinius cynocephalus, which means dog-faced pouched one in Greek. How did I know that? So smart I am, I know. Okay, I googled it. I don't know a lick of Greek, okay? These beautiful creatures were around 2 million years ago, and then within the span of a couple decades, their population went from 5,000 to 0. They were seen around Australia, Tasmania, and Papua New Guinea as well. With marsupials, when they give birth, the babies are pretty undeveloped, so that's when this pouch comes in handy. They'll be nurtured inside of that pouch. But the thylacine was different. There were one of only 2 marsupials known where the males also had a pouch. By the way, the other male marsupial that could have a pouch is the apoc, or the water opossum. There's 2 reasons why I wanted to make this video. That's why there's 2 parts. The first reason is to talk about convergent evolution. Now, if you don't know what that means something that has evolved pretty similar to something else that's in an entirely, completely different genre of animal, let's say. For example, how bats have wings even though they're mammals, and birds have wings because they're birds. Same can be applied to the thylacine and canines, or dogs, wolves, stuff like that. All you need to do is look at the shape of their head, their feet. In fact, they stand on their toes with their heels in the air, just like a dog, and this is really useful for them. They're able to use it to, leap into action, run away. Those jaws are able to chomp down on its prey. I'm also assuming that it evolved this type of skull, like a wolf, because, it was a carnivore and it was highly predatory. It was eating small rodents, reptiles, other marsupials, and birds. It developed a beautiful snout to smell its prey, really wide eye sockets so it can see really well, I guess. And if you look at the top, where the top of my hat is pointing, that's where the jaw muscles would be attached to, so it can really open up its mouth wide. I will show a clip of the thylacine doing just that in part 2, where I'll be talking about the possibility of the Tasmanian tiger making a comeback.